Hello, am I audible? Hi Shubhanjal, am I audible? All right. Okay. All right, thank you for letting me know. Okay, so the topic today is parajumbles, and this is some information about me. Hello, Baba the traveler, right? We had yesterday started on YouTube. We had started with parajumbles, and you guys had done a few questions. तो अभी देखिए, this question you already had done. Now, this is one that you had not done. Question number 3 for parajumbles. So, the first idea is that you read all the sentences. So, please go through all the sentences once. I will read it out aloud once and then you guys can try it out. Or I'll keep on underlining the links as well, something that could be a linking word or a linking phrase. Okay, this has huge implications for the healthcare system as it operates today. So, this refers to what? ये किसके लिए लिखा है? Clearly, this sentence, the first one, does not seem to be the beginning of the passage. This cannot be the opening sentence. This has huge implications for the healthcare system as it operates today. It operates refers to the healthcare system, where depleted resources and time lead to patients rotating in and out of doctors' offices, oftentimes receiving minimal care or concern, what is commonly referred to as bedside manner, from doctors. Second, the placebo effect is when, इसको describe किया है, is when an individual's medical condition or pain shows signs of improvement based on fake intervention that has been presented to them as a real one and used to be regularly dismissed by researchers as a psychological effect. तो बताया गया है line number 2 में what placebo effect is, but it is also mentioned that placebo effect used to be regularly dismissed by researchers as simply psychological and nothing real. The placebo effect is not only solely based on believing in treatment. However, as the clinical setting in which treatments are administered is also paramount. Paramount is extremely important. Shubhanjal, were you not, you were there, no, yesterday also when we were doing it on YouTube? Acha, you were not there. All right. All right. No, these questions, oh, I thought you were there. These questions are without options. That's why they are more tricky. That's why para jumbles become more tricky when there are no options. And once you're able to solve questions without options, then of course you will definitely be able to solve them with options in the exams where you get these questions with options. So, pehle without options try karna, tita, yes, type in the answer, right? IP MAT में options. IP MAT में actually you have both the things. IP MAT में like in CAT, you don't get options anymore at all. But IP MAT, kyunki it is so very similar to CAT because of what it caters to. So IP MAT maybe you have parajumbles with options and then you have parajumbles without options. So you should be prepared for this for IP MAT as well. हाँ जिपमैट में definitely options आते हैं जिपमैट में आते हैं बट आईपी मैट में तो you have to be prepared for this also. कभी विथ ऑप्शंस आता है कभी विदाउट ऑप्शंस आता है कभी दोनों आ जाता है together. Okay, so the third one, the placebo effect is not solely based on believing in treatment. However, as the clinical setting in which treatments are administered is also extremely important. Fourth, that the mind has the power to trigger biochemical changes because the individual believes that a given drug or intervention will be effective could empower chronic patients through the notion of our body's capacity for self healing. Placebo effects are now studied not just as foils for real interventions, but as potential portal into the self-healing powers of the body. So basically, आप जब सारे sentences पढ़ रहे हैं, once you should get, if you get an idea of what the purpose of the passage is, तो भी थोड़ा सा you can figure out maybe the first sentence and the last sentence. So that is one thing to get an idea of the purpose. उसके अलावा तो बहुत सारे links आपको ढूंढने होते हैं. What do I mean by getting an idea of the purpose of the passage? तो of course you can later on download these notes. तो ये देखिए जैसे कि अगर आपको पढ़ के लगता है कि पूरे passage का main purpose है to explain a concept, अगर पढ़ के ये लगता है that it's all about explaining a concept, then what will happen? Then the author would start with a line that presents general approach to the idea. And then it goes on to specific reference. जब आपको पढ़ के लगे कि the author is trying to explain a concept, like अगर अभी हमने जो passage देखा, जो sentences देखे, उसमें if the only agenda seems to be that the author is trying to tell us what placebo effect is, then the author would start with general approach and then will come to the specific one. General to specific. Now, why is this important? Understanding the purpose. क्योंकि कभी-कभी जब हम नहीं पैराजम्बल्स के notes दिए जाते हैं तो simply some people say कि हमेशा general to specific है. That's not necessary. Sometimes you might start with the specific thing and then move on to general. So that kind of depends on what the purpose of the passage seems to be. But when the purpose is to raise awareness, अगर आपने देखा हो the editorial analysis that we have been doing, जिसमें there were articles on, if you remember, greenhouse gas emissions and global warming. तो वहाँ पे तो purpose था to raise awareness. Or even the article that we did about, if you remember, landslips and landslides. Even there, the purpose was to raise awareness. So वैसा आप newspaper editorial में भी वैसे articles को देखो तो क्या होता है? Author would first present the information like how landslips happened in Himachal Pradesh, and I mean like it happened twice in a span of 2.5 weeks. वो पूरा information दिया था how the tourists were affected or how the people were affected, how the roads were closed and how people died and all of that. That was information. एंड देन फिर इशू या प्रॉब्लम को फोकस में लाया गया और मेन इशू या प्रॉब्लम ये है कि लैंडस्लिप्स is are happening not only because of not only as natural calamities because of tectonic plates, not only because of that, but also because of human activities, you know, our activities, our disruptive activities, how we are going about with development. तो वो आर्टिकल अगर आपको ध्यान हो, exactly, mining is one example of the disruptive activities that we do. तो वो आर्टिकल अगर आपको ध्यान हो न्यूज़पेपर एनालिसिस का, so that सो बेसिकली इफ यू आर एबल टू कनेक्ट द डॉट्स कि हम पैराजंबल से चले गए एडिटोरियल एनालिसिस पे क्यों, तो आप देखो, if you do editorial analysis is just one aspect of reading. So if you keep on even reading the editorial page every day, you also are tackling different types of articles or different types of passages, जहाँ पे अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं ऑथर्स के लिखने के, और वहाँ आई मीन थ्रू दैट ऑल्सो यू गेट अ फीलिंग ऑफ हाउ टू सॉल्व पैराजम्बल्स. तो यहाँ पे भी देख लो, यही हुआ एडिटोरियल में भी कि रेज अवेयरनेस जब करना था तो ऑथर ने शुरुआत किया इन्फॉर्मेशन से एंड देन मूव्ड ऑन टू द इशू. And that is what will happen in parajumbles also. Read all the sentences. If you feel that the agenda of the author is to raise awareness, then it's the second thing. Then the informative sentences will come earlier, and the issue-based sentences would come later. When the purpose is to raise anxiety or concern, the author would focus on issue or problem in a manner that raises the reader's concern and would then present the features that are the reasons behind the concern. ठीक है, आई थिंक दिस इज सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी कि रीडर्स का कंसर्न रेज करना है तो दे वुड फर्स्ट गिव एन अलार्मिंग स्टेटमेंट, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग टू द वर्ल्ड इज डाइंग, और उसके बाद उसका रीजंस बताएंगे व्हाई इज दिस हैपनिंग. ठीक है, अलार्मिंग स्टेटमेंट वुड यूजुअली हैव एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. When the purpose is to present solutions, the author would first explain the issue, the author would explain the problem, and then move on to the possible solutions or a possible course of action. When the purpose is to surprise, amaze, or cause wonder, the statement of surprise would be presented first and would be followed by features of the idea or issue that would explain it. All right. Now, identifying the opening sentence is extremely important. If you can identify the conclusion, that would also be helpful. But then mostly you have to look for a lot of links. You know, links जैसे अभी मैंने underline किए थे words. तो जैसे articles can also provide links. If for the same thing, if for, let us say, a country, कहीं पे लिखा है for a country, good evening Adrika, और कहीं पे लिखा है the country, so there is a link. First you'll have the sentence with a country and then only later on you'll have the sentence with the country. तो वहाँ पे link रहेगा. और ये सब तो आप जानते ही हो, conclusive sentences के लिए you can have these kind of words, hence, therefore, eventually, finally. Contrast के लिए you can have on one hand, on the other hand, but yet, however, nevertheless. So all these words would come in handy. All right. तो linking words पे ध्यान देना है. हम questions देखेंगे, उसमें जो भी linking words आएंगे, please keep on making notes of them. All right. मैंडेटरी पेयर डेफिनेटली बनाइए, मतलब इस सेंटेंस के साथ दूसरा कोई से, और ऑप्शंस में मैंडेटरी पेयर हेल्प्स अ लॉट. लाइक इफ यू आर वेरी श्योर कि सी के बाद ही ए आएगा, so if you have options depending on the exam that you're sitting for, then it becomes very helpful. But of course, if there are no options, so I mean it will help in coming to the final answer eventually, but then again it would be pretty difficult, not very easy. Contrast and contradict, Nishtha, the difference is, contradict में तो आप पूरा उल्टा, for example, if in one of the sentences I say that human intervention is the main cause of natural calamities, इसका contrast हो जाता है कि इसका contradiction हो जाता है, no, human intervention is not the main cause of natural calamities. ये contradiction हो गया. आप पूरी तरह से सामने वाले के point को negate कर रहे हो, that is contradiction. But contrast क्या होता है? Something like human intervention is a major cause of natural calamity. In spite of that, it is because of human intervention that the world is progressing as it is progressing. तो ये contrast हो गया कि आपने बताया कि human intervention की वजह से natural calamities हो रहे हैं, पर जो progress भी हो रहा है वो भी human intervention की वजह से हो रहा है. तो आपने पहले point को contradict नहीं किया कि नहीं जो बोला वो गलत बोला, उसको साथ में रखते हुए ही आप कह रहे हो पर कुछ अच्छा भी हो रहा है ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन की वजह से, दैट इज कॉन्ट्रास्ट. कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन वुड बी कंप्लीटली निगेट कर देना. ऑलराइट, ओके. सो देखिए, अ ब्रॉड अप्रोच फॉर पैराजम्बल्स इज रीड द सेंटेंसेस. सबसे पहले वो पढ़ ही लो, कोई पॉइंट नहीं है कि एक सेंटेंस पढ़ के लिंक बनाया, सारे सेंटेंसेस पढ़ना ही है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द मैसेज विच इज द पर्पस. आइडेंटिफाई द टॉपिक एंड द थीम. ऑफ कोर्स, स्टाइल अगर आपको पता चल जाए, स्टाइल ऑफ द पैसेज की नैरेटिव पैसेज अगर है, यानी कि ऑर्डर ऑफ इवेंट्स हैं, या स्टोरी है, तो यू वुड नो, यू कैन अरेंज इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन chronological order, or like a story, you know, events एक के बाद एक unfold हो रहे हैं. Analytical है, तो you will get an idea कि if there are positive points and there are negative points, so whatever positives are there, they should be chunked together. Negative should be chunked together. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए positive negative positive negative. कोशिश करो, एक बात ध्यान रखो पैराजम्बल्स के लिए, if there are two or more sentences with similar ideas, they should mostly be chunked together. ये आप लिख लीजिए. They should not be placed apart. It's a parajumble. It's not a long reading comprehension passage. देखो, confuse. So let me ask you a question. I just said it, but let me ask you this. So आप लोग मुझे बताओ, if there are two sentences in a parajumble with almost the same idea, then should one of them be placed in the introduction and the other in the conclusion, or should both of them be placed one after the other? So that's my question to you. If there are two sentences with almost the same idea, then should one of them be placed, yeah, in the introduction and the other in the conclusion, or should they be kind of placed together? So Adrika is saying one after the other. So together you're saying, all right. Anybody else? Together, correct, Nishtha? Yes, they should be placed together. यही अभी मैंने भी बोला. अच्छा, मैंने रिपीट क्यों किया? क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स क्यों कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज मेनी टाइम्स आपने स्कूल में जब भी ऐसे राइटिंग किया होगा ना, तो टॉपिक आता था ऐसे का, तो इंट्रोडक्शन में बेसिकली उसी टॉपिक को तोड़ मड़ोड़ के ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स रीस्टेट करके लिख देते हैं. पूरे बॉडी में, ऐसे के बॉडी में कुछ भी डाल देते हैं, रैंडम स्टोरीज, और कंक्लूजन में फिर से उसी टॉपिक को तोड़ मड़ोड़ के लिख देते हैं. सो इन अ वे दे आर रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग इन द इंट्रो एंड द कंक्लूजन. तो उनको लगता है कि even in parajumbles we have to do the same thing, but that's not the case. Parajumbles are not long passages that you can do this, you know, intro and the conclusion, same idea. That would become highly redundant. इसलिए they should be chunked together. ये ध्यान रखना, similar ideas chunking. All right. Logical relationships देखना है, cause and effect, linking words, chronological order. All right. तो ये तो बहुत ही ऑब्वियस चीज है कि आइडेंटिफाइंग एन ऑब्वियस ओपनर or introductory sentence, like usually if a sentence starts with carry forward words like and, so, moreover, then usually it would not be the first sentence, but however, nevertheless, would not be the first sentence. Finally, thus would not be the first sentence. ये बहुत ही obvious बात है. All right. Also, if you are an avid reader, then you can also go with this, trying to look for the logical flow. But this mainly works for people who are avid readers. If you are into reading, no, then it works for you. All right. चलिए, तो कल हमने YouTube पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 किया था, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 किया था, ये भी किया था. नहीं, दिस वन वी हैड नॉट डन. अभी इससे शुरुआत करें. सर्टेन लिंक्स आर देयर, गिव इट अ शॉट. पढ़ लीजिए, बताइए आपको क्या लगता है. Yes, of course. You can write it in the chat box. So a lot of sentences are talking about the placebo effect. We know that we cannot start with the first sentence. This has huge implications. So what does this refer to? So अगर मैं चलिए देखते हैं. Which one does it start with? Okay, now one of you 25431 54231. So I see कि 3-1 आ गया आप सबका, right? 3-1 आ गया. The placebo effect is not only based on believing in treatment, however, और placebo effect का definition कहाँ दिया है? It's the second one. So let's see Shubhanjal's answer. If we start with 5, placebo effects are now studied not just as foils for real intervention, but as potential portal into the self-healing powers of the body. And then the placebo effect is when an individual's medical condition shows signs of improvement based on fake intervention. That has been presented to them as real one and used to be regularly dismissed by researchers as psychological effect. So that's 3. No, I'm sorry, that's 2. Uh, but ये दोनों तो साथ में फिट नहीं हो रहा है. This definition, इसको आप सबसे आगे रख के देखिए 2 को. So earlier they used to be regularly dismissed by researchers as psychological effect. Now this could connect to this one, 5. Placebo effects are now studied. किस चीज से कंपेयर किया? नाउ कहाँ से आया? नाउ का कंपैरिजन आप किससे कर रहे हो? यहाँ पे देखो पहले क्या होता था. Used to be regularly dismissed. अब क्या हो रहा है? Now studied not just as foils for real intervention, क्योंकि 2 में कहा था ना they used to be dismissed by researchers, तो अब ये केवल foils for real intervention की तरह नहीं स्टडी किए जा रहे हैं, but as potential portal into the self-healing powers of the body. So 2 के बाद आपका आना चाहिए 5, right? Potential portal, correct. 2 के बाद you should have 5. उसके बाद what are the other links that you have? I think उसके आगे तो सारे links आपको समझ आ ही गए हैं that the 3 and 1 come together, we know that. और that cannot come in the beginning anywhere. आपको बस 4 का placement check करना है. Where would 4 be? That the mind has the power to trigger, देखो, biochemical changes because the individual believes that a given drug or intervention will be effective could empower chronic patients through the notion of our body's capacity for self-healing. ये किसको elaborate कर रहा है? जो आपका 5 में लिखा है self-healing powers of the body as a potential portal into the self-healing powers of the body, और उसके बारे में बताया गया है that the mind has the power to trigger blah blah blah. So 2 5 के बाद आपका आएगा 4. So it should be 2 5 4 3 1. So I think one of you got the answer. Nishta got the correct answer. Perfect. पैराजंबल है. पैराजंबल तो डिफिकल्ट होता ही है, स्पेशली अगर ऑप्शंस ना रहें. इट इज डेफिनेटली डिफिकल्ट इफ देयर आर नो ऑप्शंस. अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 वी हैड डन इट even on YouTube yesterday, but let's give it a shot again. If you were not there, तो ये एक बार ट्राई कर लीजिए. अच्छे से सोच के ट्राई करना, ठीक है? अच्छा, मैं फर्स्ट आई विल रीड आउट द सेंटेंसेस और द लिंक्स एंड देन यू गाइस गिव इट अ ट्राई. Before plants can take life from atmosphere, nitrogen must undergo transformation similar to ones that food undergoes in our digestive machinery. In its aerial form, nitrogen is insoluble, unusable, and in need of transformation. तो कुछ तो है, पर आपको ये देखना है कि पहले क्या आएगा, बाद में क्या आएगा. These two have, of course, they're talking about nitrogen and transformation as well. Lightning starts the series of chemical reactions that need to happen to nitrogen, ultimately helping it nourish our earth. Nitrogen, an essential food for plants, is an abundant source. This is introduction to nitrogen. introduction to nitrogen. It's telling us about what nitrogen is. One of the dramatic examples in nature of ill will that blows goodness is lightning. Okay, ill wind that blows goodness is something bad that eventually results in something good. अब आप एनालाइज करो, यहाँ पे 3 सेंटेंसेस हैं नाइट्रोजन, एक्चुअली 4 सेंटेंसेस हैं नाइट्रोजन के बारे में. One sentence is only about lightning and one is about lightning and nitrogen. See, sentence 3 is about lightning and nitrogen. So 3 could be maybe, an intermediate sentence somewhere जो lightning और nitrogen को connect करेगा. So give it a shot. Try it out. Okay, Shubhanshul has got an answer here. Reach Once you have got an answer, read it. Read it in the exam. Read all of them together in order and see whether it's making sense or not. Nowadays, the number of sentences are 4. It's 4. But practice दोनों कर और इस sheet में भी you will have a lot of questions with 4 sentences. All right. Okay, so what links do I see? एक link मुझे दिख रहा है. One of the most dramatic examples in nature of ill wind that blows goodness is lightning. Lightning starts a series of chemical reactions that need to happen to nitrogen, ultimately helping it nourish our earth. तो एक link हमें क्या दिख रहा है? 5 and 3 is the link. Okay. 4, 1, 2 or 4 to 1 ये भी देखना है. Nitrogen, when the sentences that talk about nitrogen, the first one has to be 4 because it's kind of introducing what nitrogen is or what its relevance. Nitrogen, an essential food for plants, is an abundant resource with about 22 million tons of it floating over each square mile of earth. उसके बाद क्या आएगा? ये देखिए 22 million tons of it floating over each square mile. इतना मिलियन टन्स क्या कर रहा है? फ्लोट कर रहा है ओवर ईच स्क्वायर माइल. उससे विच सेंटेंस कैन रिलेट? चेक दैट. बताइए कौन सा रिलेट कर रहा है? जो फोर्थ में आपको दिख रहा है 22 टन्स, या एरियल फॉर्म रिलेट्स टू दैट. एरियल फॉर्म इन 2, तो 4 के बाद 2 आएगा. In its aerial form, nitrogen is insoluble, unusable, and it is in need of transformation. फिर हम कहेंगे, before plants can take life from atmosphere, nitrogen must undergo ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस, इट इज अ नीड ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। आप पहले कहोगे कि ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की जरूरत है, फिर आप कहोगे इट मस्ट अंडरगो, इसलिए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करना चाहिए। सो देयर इज 4 to 1, right? And I think the other part you guys must have figured out. Hi Kajal, try out this question. बताओ 5-3-4-2-1 होगा या 4-2-1-5-3 होगा? Shivam, tell me, what should it be? 4-2-1-5-3 नहीं होगा, right? Because if I go with 4-2-1-5-3, that would be very abrupt now. 4-1 के बाद 5 makes no sense. Whereas 5-3 के बाद 4-1 आ सकता है because 3 में there is mention of nitrogen. And then, from there we can go into the point of talking about nitrogen. So 5-3-4-2-1 makes sense. Right. So that's the correct answer. That's the eventual answer. आगे बढ़ते हैं. चलिए. All right, try out. I'll tell you which one. Let's try out the 4 sentences based one now because ज़्यादातर exams में 4 sentences ही आ रहे हैं अभी. But honestly, in terms of practice, if you're practicing paragymnastics, it doesn't matter whether you practice with 4 sentences, 5 sentences, or even 6 sentences. The more sentences you practice with, the better your accuracy will get. All right. Yes, the special class, Shivam, right now it is, yeah, today, I mean, this week it's only on Wednesday. Yeah. Next week it's going to be 2 days, Wednesday and another day. That isn't decided yet, which one. All right. तो चलिए question number 7 try करते हैं. All of you give it a shot. All right, what about the rest of you? तो हमें ये पता है कि fourth में एक link है. These concerns cause states from outside the region to take an active interest in Southeast Asian security. These concerns refer to what concerns? ये concerns. That cannot be the first sentence. Third देखते हैं. Since the 1990s, the security environment of Southeast Asia has seen both continuity and profound changes. All right. Uh, One देखिए, tensions and sometimes conflict remain an issue in and between the 11 states. Remain an issue. Remain an issue. So this is an example of continuity, right? ये issue तो चल ही रहा है. So third should be your introductory statement. Has seen both continuity and profound changes, and then you see the examples of continuity and profound changes. ये जो है the security environment, I mean this has remained an issue, तो ये तो एक continuity है. So whatever, you know, however it affects security, it has continuously affected in that way because ये remains an issue. तो 3 के बाद आपका 1 आ सकता है for continuity, unless let's check out 2. China's rise as a regional military power and its claims in South China Sea have become an increasingly pressing security concern for many Southeast Asian countries. Org hai, these concerns cause states from outside the region to take an active interest. So these concerns would come at the end. These concerns would talk about ये एक major concern है आपका, right? और ये एक पुराना concern है जो 1 में दिया है. So 1 के बाद आपका क्या आएगा? This change. Profound changes because this concern given in the second one, China's rise as regional military power and its claim, it's not continuous. This is a change, you know, this is something very profound, very deep, very impactful, and that will definitely affect the security concerns as well. And these concerns would refer to all the concerns mentioned in 1 and 2. So it should be 3, 1, 2, 4. That should be the answer. 3, 1, 2, 4. All right. ये शीट, ये कैट का ही क्वेश्चन है आयुष, ये कैट का क्वेश्चन है. कैट 2020 में because you got 4 sentences only, no? ऐसे ही आते हैं. Parajumbles is one topic. Like I mentioned yesterday on YouTube कि जब हम critical reasoning करते हैं या हम difficult read and comprehension करते हैं, तो even if you find it difficult in the beginning, still with preparation, you can definitely master it, you know, with hard work preparation, with continuity. And that's our agenda, to master all those sections. But पैराजम्बल्स में क्या है, बहुत ज़्यादा लक बेस्ड होता है. इफ़ यू आर लकी एंड ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं जो सॉल्व हो सकते हैं, तो ठीक है, सॉल्व हो जाएंगे व्हेन देयर आर नो ऑप्शंस. बट इफ इट्स हार्ड लक डे काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, तो फिर 2 ऑप्शंस इक्वली करेक्ट लगेंगे आपको. लाइक द ऑप्शंस दैट यू विल मेक, मे बी 3, 2, 1, 4 and 3, 2, 4, 1 hypothetically would be like equally correct. But eventually you will get marks on what the question setter has decided is the right answer. So it's not a section on which I ever, especially for CAT, it's not a section on which I can tell you to depend much. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि पढ़ेंगे नहीं या प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि अगर इजी आ गया ना और आपने नहीं पढ़ा है, आपने प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया, तो दूसरे सभी लोग सॉल्व करके आएंगे, सबके सही आंसर्स होंगे, आपका परसेंटाइल नीचे गिर जाएगा. पर अगर डिफिकल्ट आया या ट्रिकी आया तो आई मीन यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट. दिस इज द, अभी पढ़ाई करते वक्त तो ठीक है, यू कैन टेक 10 minutes फॉर अ क्वेश्चन, वट एवर टाइम यू वांट टू टेक. बट लेटर ऑन ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम यू हैव टू डिसाइड कि पैराजम्पल में 40 seconds में ही मुझे देखना है या 1 minute में देखना है, नहीं हो रहा है तो छोड़ के आगे बढ़ना है. ऑल दैट हैज टू बी डन. बट वो थोड़े बाद की बात है जब स्ट्रैटेजी पे आते हैं. बट स्टिल आई हैव टू लेट यू नो दिस बिकॉज मैं ये नहीं चाहूंगी कि आप अपने जब आप खुद पढ़ाई कर रहे हो घर पे बैठ के, मैं ये नहीं चाहूंगी कि आप दिन में, एक हफ्ते के 5 दिन में, every day you are giving 1 hour to parajumbles. I'll not tell you to do that. I'll tell you to devote more time to read and comprehension. That would reap better results. All right, तो आते हैं question number 8 पे. All of you please read these sentences. Vinal, that's a nice name. What are you preparing for, Vinal? And Harmi? Harmi, I see you joining, but most of the times you join pretty late, no? Okay, you're preparing for OMETS this year only? If you're preparing for, you're saying OMETS में other management entrance test आता है. We use the word other because CAT को हम थोड़ा ज़्यादा priority देते हैं हर जगह. Okay, Harmi is preparing for CAT. देखिए, आप OMETS के लिए prepare कर रहे हो, other management entrance test और CAT whichever, तो parajumbles आते हैं. CAT में I already mentioned, I mean prepare करना है पर बहुत ज़्यादा depend नहीं करना है on this topic. दूसरे एग्जाम्स में लाइक IIFT, ZAT, ये सब में तो you will get your options in parajumbles. You'll have the options स्नैप में यूजुअली ऑप्शंस के साथ आता है, कभी-कभी इनको भी मन करता है बिना ऑप्शंस के दे देते हैं, तो यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड। ऑलराइट, चलिए, look at these sentences, go through them. Okay, Martine. Martine, you're also preparing for CAT? Oh, you're preparing for CGL. All right. अगर आपको ध्यान, ओके, सम ऑफ यू जॉइन प्रीटी लेट, बट जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया था कि पहले देखो कि पर्पस क्या लग रहा है पैसेज का। अगर आपको, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द पैसेज इज अबाउट, of course the passage is about certain inventions, right? The foundation of microbiology, but how it also, it also led to biological weapons. तो ठीक है, एक पर्टिकुलर एजेंडा है पैसेज का, दैट्स ऑल राइट। बट अगर आप एक जेनरिक स्टेटमेंट देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, तो वो जेनरिक स्टेटमेंट शुड बी द इंट्रोडक्टरी स्टेटमेंट, शुड बी द इंट्रोडक्शन। ये पूरा जो आपका 2, 3 and 4 है, इट्स टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग वेरी स्पेसिफिक, राइट? बायोलॉजिकल वेपन्स के बारे में बात कर रहा है, हाउ दे कुड बी, हाउ द फाउंडेशन ऑफ माइक्रोबायोलॉजी कैन बी मिसयूज्ड टू मेक बायोलॉजिकल वेपन्स एंड देयर इज द डेंजर, एंड उसकी वजह से ट्रीटीज साइन की गई। बट वन जो है, दैट्स प्रीटी जेनरिक। Man has used poisons for assassination purposes ever since the dawn of civilization, ever since civilization started, against individual enemies, but also occasionally against armies. So this is a very generic statement. ये बीच में कहीं fit नहीं होगा. So you keep this as the intro. क्योंकि conclusion में भी it's definitely not the conclusion of these ideas given here. So आप one को intro की तरह रखो. Um, three is three is neutral, but it does take us to the topic. 3 पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव नहीं है, पर देखो जेनरिक और न्यूट्रल में डिफरेंस होता है ना, कि वन इज अ जेनरिक स्टेटमेंट, द पैसेज इज नॉट अबाउट वन, राइट? इट्स अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ वेपन, और वो पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ वेपन का ओरिजिन कहाँ से हो रहा है? 3 से हो रहा है। सो 1 के बाद आपका क्या आएगा? 1 के बाद आएगा आपका 3, उसके बाद तो यू कैन सी द लिंक्स, राइट? 1 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद these dangers were soon recognized, resulting in 2 international declarations. हमको कैसे पता है 2 आएगा? क्योंकि जब हमने 4 पढ़ लिया है। 2 treaties were made in good faith, तो ये international declarations की बात हुई है। They were made in good faith. They contained no means of control, and so they eventually failed to prevent interested parties from developing and using biological weapons. So 2 के बाद हमारा 4 आएगा। Though the treaties, ये जो बात हुई यहाँ पे, they were made in good faith, still they did not have good enough provisions. So 1, 3, 2, 4, and a few of you got this answer. That's really good. Perfect. Wonderful. Options nahi hai, to definitely we cannot do any polls here. All right. And I'm saying कि initially try कर रहे हो, अगर आप initially try कर रहे हो तो take your time. All right. Don't answer in a hurry. चलिए, try out the 9th one. All right. You told us your house number. Okay. So whatever your answer is, no, read it out aloud to yourself wherever you're sitting. Loudly एक बार पढ़िए, whether it's making complete sense or not. All right. Or so is it only like I see quite a lot of options. Mortian got 1342. Shubhanjal got 4132. आप लोग एक दूसरे के भी options पढ़िए and see whether those options are making sense or not. Apart from your own answer, whether the other options that others have given, is that making sense or not? All right. Okay, so I'll just write down the other options. ठीक है, उसमें आप लोग check करो कि whether they are making sense or not. Um, okay, so 1342, 1324, 4132, okay, 1423. So please read the other options as well. सारे options पढ़ के अब decide कीजिए कि uh, दूसरे options भी sensible लग रहे हैं या नहीं, whether they sound equally good or not. Yeah, we can do that, but first read them at least. First read them as options, like in order, and then we can poll. See, one of you is saying now confused. I want to know whether all of you are confused or not. I'll tell you the reason why I did this for this particular question instead of directly telling you guys the right answer. अगर आपको ध्यान हो तो पैराजम्बल्स के लिए मैं कह रही हूँ ना कि this is I said it earlier, right? I don't want to repeat it again and again कि you might feel that two options are equally good and they might actually be equally good, but you'll not get marks on both of them. You'll only get marks on the one that the author has, the question setter has decided is the right one. कैट के पर्सपेक्टिव से बोले तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में इसीलिए नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होता है. तो यू हैव टू टेक द रिस्क, और दिस इज अ टाइम ट्रैप बेसिकली कि इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में आके क्या आप यू मूव ऑन, यू जस्ट टाइप योर आंसर एंड यू मूव ऑन, और डू यू ड्वेल ऑन इट. क्योंकि इवेंचुअली आप बाद में पता है एग्जाम जब दे दोगे और अगर ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन आया हुआ, नो मैटर हाउ मच यू एनालाइज, two or three options will keep on sounding correct because they are correct, there are proper links there. ठीक है, तो उसमें हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में, इस टॉपिक में हम कुछ ज्यादा नहीं कर सकते हैं. So the final answer, the correct answer, or the answer as per the question setter is 1324. क्योंकि ये कैट का क्वेश्चन है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग एज पर द क्वेश्चन सेटर, इट्स नॉट मेड बाय मी, इट्स अ कैट क्वेश्चन. सो ये फाइनल आंसर है, विच आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स रॉन्ग, ये भी सेंसिबल है, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी कैन इक्वली जस्टिफाई 1342. 1342 भी जस्टिफाई हो रहा है, इसमें भी कोई बुराई नहीं है. इनफैक्ट 4132 भी जस्टिफाई हो रहा है, उसमें भी बुराई नहीं है. सो दिस इज समथिंग यू गाइज नीड टू नो. एंड कीपिंग दिस इन माइंड, यू नीड टू नो कि हाँ भाई, एग्जाम में आई विल प्रैक्टिस माई बेस्ट, बट एग्जाम में भी I will not fall into the trap of just wasting my time. So eventual answer I have told you. You take a look at it. आपको ये भी equally correct लगेगा. But I am not negating your answers here. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आप लोगों के options गलत हैं. All right. चलिए. Now एक question कीजिए. Question number 10. Just this one. Take your time, analyze it. It has quite a few links. Maureen, you're saying that the 10th one is easy. If it's easy, that's a great thing because this again had come in the exam. It's from the exam itself. Only two of you have answered? Yeah. Perfect. So सबका आ गया. The answer is 2143. Correct. So good thing कि ऐसे भी questions आते हैं. So eventual idea क्या है? To quickly attempt the questions and move on. अभी नहीं. अभी तो you can take your time. All these are from the exam itself. So अभी के लिए one last question. Let's take a look at the last question, this one, and then we'll call it a day for now. And then at 8 p.m. we are studying vocabulary today in the special class itself. 8 p.m. vocab. So ये एक last try कर लीजिए. Great. All right, two of you have answered. I'm waiting for others to answer as well. So Aw has joined the class. AW. Aw, I'm sure it's an acronym for your name. You have joined really late. It's about to end. You can join the class at 8 p.m. when we are studying vocabulary. तो आप सबका आंसर आ गया है, करेक्ट आया है. That's a good thing. जागृति 3124 नहीं होगा ना? That would not be the answer. देखो बहुत लिंक्स बहुत क्लियर हैं। 3-1 तो आप सबका आ गया। नाउ लुक एट दिस 4 and 2 का देखिए। 2 में लिखा है द अदर्स वर वर्जन्स ऑफ पॉपुलर बुद्धिस्ट गॉड्स, हिंदू गॉड्स। तो ये द अदर्स इन कंपैरिजन टू whom? इन कंपैरिजन टू द फोर्थ वन। फोर्थ में जो लिखा है दे वर इंक्लूडेड इन द पैंथियन, शिंटो पैंथियन। Only two of them were indigenous Japanese gods. The others were versions of, Taoist gods, Buddhist gods, Hindu gods. So 3142, which almost all of you got. ठीक है? अभी इतना ही रखते हैं। 8 बजे vocabulary पढ़ते हैं. All right. And those of you who have earlier asked whether editorial analysis is important or not, and I've told you the significance, तो अभी आपको थोड़ा idea मिला होगा कि even for parajumbles it is significant. You get an idea of how different types of authors write. Yeah, Shubhanjal, 8 o'clock here, no? Yeah. It is at 8. Do I need to send the link on the Telegram channel then? I think I should, no? I just assumed कि शायद आप लोगों को already message आ जाता है. But if it doesn't come, then I'll share the link. Yeah, tell me कि आप लोगों को message आता है क्या या फिर do I need to share the link on the Telegram channel? Meanwhile, I will tell you about the subscription plans. You guys can go for the paid subscription as well, plus subscription and iconic subscription. All right, that's fine. Okay. So plus subscription may you get a lot of benefits like live classes, continuous tests, which is very important, structured courses, unlimited access. और अगर आप CAT का preparation करें तो of course CAT is percentile based. So when you go for subscription plans and you write those tests, you get an idea of where you stand in comparison to others. अगर आप आइकॉनिक के लिए जाते हो तो आपको आपका पर्सनल स्टडी प्लानर, स्टडी मटेरियल, एक्सपर्ट्स गाइडेंस, मेंटोरशिप ये सब भी मिलता है. द प्राइस पॉइंट्स फॉर दीज आर, yes of course Shivam, of course. All right, and yeah, these are the price points, so please take a look, and if you go for it or if any of your friends go for it, then ask them to use my code, that is Sharmaji, and you'll get a 10% off. And for iconic, these are the price points. All right, if you go for it or your friends go for it, ask them to use my code Sharmaji and get 10% off. ठीक है, code जरूर use करवा देना. All right, or if any of your friends joins the Unacademy, they download Unacademy learning app, then also ask them to use my code Sharmaji to unlock the free special classes. और ये तो जरूर दीजिएगा संडे को. All right. Profile Nishtha, the plus course will start next week. आप इस ईयर के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो ना, बिकॉज वन आई एम स्टार्टिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर, CAT and other management entrance tests for next year, and one is going to be for this year. Morteen, Morteen, is that your name or your surname? No, I'm not Punjabi, but yeah, even in real life, like in person, when people meet me, everybody assumes that I'm a Punjabi. And I used to think that that might be because of my personality, but online I'm surprised when students ask me if I'm a Punjabi. I mean, because मैंने बस assume करके रखा था कि मेरा build ऐसा है, height वाइट ऐसी है कि पंजाबी लगते होंगे. Online आप लोग ये पूछते हो तो मुझे फिर नहीं समझ आता है कि I mean, what makes you think that I might be a Punjabi? Because I don't think I have that tone. ऐसा तो नहीं है. Lot of Sharmajis are here. All right. That's why क्या? क्योंकि या फिर tone, is it my tone? Is it a Punjabi accent that I have? Do let me know, guys. I'm seriously asking you. आपको मेरे accent से क्या लगता है? Where am I from? Some people have mother tongue influence, a bit of mother tongue influence. उससे क्या लगता है? Okay. No, I am from. All right. Okay. Originally, I can say I'm a Bihari. But yeah, I was born and brought up in Ranchi. So that is now a part of Jharkhand. Earlier, it was a part of Bihar. Okay. So yeah, that's the origin. I'm based out of Pune though. All right. Okay, then I'll see you guys at 8 p.m. Take care. Bye bye.